I'm going to show you how to assemble your Bangle.js charge cradle into something that looks like this. So, first step, get everything out of the pack. You need to be a little bit careful of these bits on the back because the tops of these are reasonably delicate. So just be a little careful when removing them. Now, the first thing to do is to get this and your charge cable and make sure that your charge cable fits through here nicely. Now, this one fits fine. Some of them might be a little bit tight, and you can fix that either with a nail file or a little knife, or you can just poke this through and you can move it backwards and forwards both ways like that. And you just want to make sure that you can push it through here and then seat it back in here nice and flat, so that obviously the bangle can sit against it. So the next step is we're just going to take this and we're going to find our middle layer, put that face down, put the front layer in there, just clips in over that little gap, and then you've got this section which supports the bottom of the bangle, that goes in over there. And to hold these in, you get the base layer with the text facing up so you can't see it, and that just slots over there and should hold these in place nicely. So the next step is you take your charge cable, you put it through, which should be a bit easier now, and then you basically want it out the way a bit. You take this and you poke this in here, make sure that's all nice and tidy, and then you want to carefully fiddle this round so that it goes back through the hole and sits in that cutout really nicely, like that. Now we're going to put in this other layer here, and this just slots in that hole, and then the cable twists round and roots into that slot, just like that. And now you just take the top layer where it says face down, you turn it round, and these slots go over here, like this. And then you push the cable up so that it can go through that slot, and you make sure when this gets down to the bottom that these bits go over here and here. And now your cradle is assembled. You just take the two elastic bands, you put them around here, and these act like little feet, but they also hold it together and stop it coming to pieces. And that's your charge cradle, and you can clip your bangle into it quite nicely. Now, it's pretty solid, but if you want to make it a bit more solid, you can put a little bit of super glue on here. So if you want to, I'd suggest you put a bit in this corner here, a bit in that corner there, and a bit back down there, and that way you won't actually see any of the glue, but it will still hold everything really solidly. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.